Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are well and good. I am the Mehta ma'am, and today I am going to teach you GA. Children, you have already learned about birds, insects, and water animals in your previous session, right? Today we are going to revise few of the names of birds, insects and water animals and write them in our notebook. So let's begin our session. Children, now let us first go through few names of birds that we are going to write. Which bird is this? Yes, it is a parrot. Parrot. Come on children, repeat after me. Parrot. Parrot. Parrot यानी तोता. See its beautiful green color and curved beak. Which bird is this? Yes, it is a crow. CROW, crow. Say again, CROW, crow. Crows are large birds with shiny black feathers. Have you heard the story Thirsty Crow? This is a pigeon. PIGEON. Say again, PIGEON. Pigeon. Have you seen pigeon? Yes, we see pigeon everywhere. Children, now these are the insects that we are going to write. This is a ladybird. It is an insect, mostly black and red in color. LADYBIRD, ladybird. LADYBIRD, ladybird. Children, have you seen this insect? This is a honeybee. It is a flying insect and they make honey. Spell honeybee. HONEYBEE, honey bee. HONEYBEE, honey bee. This is a caterpillar. Caterpillar is a small soft insect which grows up and changes itself into beautiful butterfly. CATERPILLAR, caterpillar. CATERPILLAR, caterpillar. Now let us see water animals. Oh, such a big fish. This is a shark. SHARK, shark. SHARK. Shark is a big water animal. They are fast swimming fishes and they eat other small fish. This is a dolphin. Dolphins are big in size and they are very intelligent water animal. DOLPHIN, dolphin. DOLPHIN, H-I-N. Dolphin. Children, do you know? Dolphin is the national water animal of India. This is an octopus. Octopus have two eyes, a round shaped head and 8 legs called tentacles. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Here we'll write names of birds and insects. In this way, you have to draw 2 lines. Now first, we will write today's date. So today's date is 4.11.20. Now we'll write heading. First, leave 2 finger space and write B. Birds. So we'll write first capital B, that is big B. B I R D S. Birds. Now make a small slanting line in this way and then write capital I. Insects. Capital I, small n, S E C T S. Insects. Birds, insects. Now here on left side of margin you have to write numbers from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now after 5 number on this line you have to make cross. And again from the next line write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now first here we'll write parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Now these are names. So first alphabet will be capital. So here we'll write capital P. So we'll start from red line. P, then small a, R, R, O, T. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Now, next, crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. So again, we'll write capital C. Start from red line. C R O W. C will be capital and the rest alphabet small. C R O W. Crow. After crow, pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. P will be capital. So start from red line. P, small I, G, E, O, N. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Same way you have to write in the remaining lines. Now we'll write insects. So number 1, first insect will be ladybird. L-A-D-Y-B-I-R-D. Lady bird. Starting with capital L. So from red line, L, then we'll write small a. A, D, Y, B, I, R, D. Lady bird. L-A-D-Y-B-I-R-D. Lady bird. Now next, honeybee. H-O-N-E-Y-B-E-E. Honey bee. So start with capital H. From red line, H, small o, N, E, Y. Honey. Then you have to make a small slipping line in between these two blue lines. That is dash. And B. We'll write small b. B, E, E. Bee. Honey bee. Honey bee gives us honey. Now next, caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. Caterpillar. So first alphabet will be capital C. So from red line to second blue line, C. Then small a. C, A, T, E, R, P, I, L, L, A, R. Caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. Caterpillar. So these are names of birds and insects which you have to learn. Now on next page again you have to draw two lines in this way. Here we are going to write water animals. So first we will write date. 4.11.20. Now we'll write heading. So leave one finger space and write capital W. small a, T, E, R. Water. Again one finger space. Capital A, small n, I, M, A, L, S. Animals. Water, animals. After this, we'll write numbers on the left side of margin. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, first we will write which water animal? Shark. So first alphabet will be capital S, H, A, R, K. Shark. So from red line, S, then small h, A, R, K. Shark. S-H-E-R-K. Shark. To shark, dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. So, first alphabet will be capital D. D, small o, L, P, H, I, N. Dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. After dolphin, octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. First alphabet capital O. From red line to second blue line, make a big O. Small c. O, C, T. O, P, U, S. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Now you have to write below here, and you have to learn these spellings thoroughly. So children, see you tomorrow with some more fun and learning. Till then, take care. Bye bye.